you guys, today I have a treat for you. I am going to do a puddle blowout, and I am going to add my cell activator on top. So let's get started and see what we get. So I was told to start with this combination. These are my puddles. So these are the colors, and I don't have the same amount of colors for all of them, so I'm just going to use what I have, and I'm just going to do the puddles all over the place. Let's see what we get. And I will do a different order, on several of the puddles. Just some colors I had mixed up, except that blue. That blue is a new one. That dark blue is new. All of these other colors I had mixed up already, so I don't have as many of them. And I don't know why the purple. I have so much of this purple left over, so I'll probably be using that a lot. I don't want too much of this one. So now let's go backwards. Let's go with this one first. Wow, that is beautiful. It's gorgeous, you guys. No other words I can say for it. It's just beautiful. I mean, it's really, really pretty. I am really taken back by this. I wasn't expecting this at all. I love it. Let me bring you down for a close-up. It's beautiful. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Isn't that blue magnificent? That blue is really pretty. And that is Satin Enamels. Blue, let's see, it is dark denim. It's beautiful. Even that center, I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. Like cap clouds a little bit, right? Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so that you will receive a notification once I post a new video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Until the next time.